Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve on your Windows PC step by step. DaVinci Resolve is one of the best free video editing software out there and it's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First go to the Google and search DaVinci Resolve download. Here you can see the suggestion here, click on it. And we have to find the official website, which is this one. You can see this one is the official website, which is blackmagicdesign.com. So here you can see there are two options. Here you can see the DaVinci Resolve 20 is free, but the studio will be the paid. So we will download DaVinci Resolve 20 and we have to fill out our details here to download the software. So after fill out, register and download, you can see the download option over there. Click on it right now and it will start it to downloading. So after downloading this free version, we will install this. So without wasting, so let's jump to our point. After the download is complete, go to download folder to unzip it and double click the DaVinci Resolve installer file. Now it will extracting, but after that a setup window will appear. Click install to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instruction. It's mostly just clicking next, agree and then install. Wait for the installation to finish. It may take a few minutes depending on your system. Here you can see our installation final process is completed. So click on finish. And here you can see installation complete here. Now open DaVinci Resolve from your desktop or in the search menu. The first time you launch it, it might take a little while to load as it sets up everything for the first time. There we go. DaVinci Resolve is now installed and ready to use. So here you can see there are lots of features in that. Click continue. Here you can see a quick setup option and skip and right now. So we will select on that. So after clicking that, we will launch our DaVinci Resolve here. After open our application, we will import our media to check how it works. So we will add our simple video. Let's change the frame rate. So after clicking on that, you can see our video is imported. So we will stay there and after dragging the media file, you can see that the option to change this scene. So we will cut we will trim our video. You can see lots of toolbar here. So here you can see in this toolbar, you can simply separate or split your media. So after clicking on that, you can see our trim is completed and we can also delete it. We can also do color grading manually. You can see that the color option over there and you can also change the gamma gain of it. You can do whatever you want and you can also use some preset to do some color grading. And lots of LUTs you can use also. So here you can see the wheel of color grading offset here. You can simply use this wheel or you can simply use the curves. So there are lots of options and this is really a professional software for color grading and editing the video software. You can see there are lots of things you can do. You can also use the styles. You can select the default some preset here, but also you can select the LUTs. You can click on LUTs. You can see the default LUTs as there, but you can also use the custom LUTs if you have. Here you can see lots of LUTs are there and these are pretty good, and also you can manually control it, so it will the great LUTs. So I hope this video will help you. If this video is worked, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.